Hey guys, welcome back to Give Your Hair a Kiss. I'm Kiss, and this is Boxy November 2022 unboxing. If you're new here, hey, hi, hit subscribe. I'm here for you to help give your look a kiss. If you're liking what you're seeing, give me a kiss, give me a like, comment down below, share, do the things, have a conversation, we'll stuff and things. So let's break into the November box. Ooh. Padding. I appreciate this. Okay, where shall we begin? So this month, Boxy, and this, by the way, is the bottom tier box, and retails in that $30 category. I think it's $28. I just rounded up to 30. And my referral link, boop, right down in the description box below. What is our theme this month? It's giving giftable glam. So are they intending for me to just gift these on? I do that with a lot of products that I don't use. I just gift them to my friends. So it's nice to be friends with somebody with a subscription package. Okay, so let's just start at the top of the list on our card, and it's the Ofra Cosmetics Signature Palette Symphony. Here she is. Break into this box. This is a $32 palette. Kind of small for a $32 palette. It's just my humble opinion. The base box includes 5 full-size products, including a full-size palette, every month. So this month's palette is giving me, those are some fun autumn tones. Okay, what do we got to say? Give them pitch perfect eye looks with this palette of melodic mauves and warm shimmers, featuring and inspired by blissful highlighter. These harmonious shades never miss a beat in the easy to carry compact with a mirror. Do love a palette with a mirror, get a little confused when they don't have one. Let's try some eyeshadow. Little eyeshadow base. So we can really see what these pigments are capable of. Okay. And some brushes. So where shall we begin? How about this? Let's go right in with this more mauvey purpley tone here. What are we calling you? We have Sublime, Charm, Blissful, Tempo, and Godiva. All right, so I guess we're going with Tempo. Okay. You know what? I like it. A lot of pigment. I don't usually love these little palettes, but this one's pretty cute. So, all right, Boxy. I like what you did there. I wonder if they sent me a full look this month. That would be really exciting. How about this metallic eyeliner duo by Real Her? Okay, this is a $30 eyeliner duo by Real Her. Okay, very cool. So we have a bronzier tone here and a more blue metallic. What are they calling these tones? It's a pun. I am resilient and I am creative. Okay, it's punny, but it's cute. I'm gonna go in with this metallic-y blue one because I just feel like it's going to complement my eye color a little more than the bronzier one will. I'm gonna grab the palette again, just use the mirror. Cute. 2 eyeliners for $30? Not bad. Not bad. What is next in our box? Let's check out this Natasha Denona Cupid Cheek Duo. And we sent it in this little cardboard box. We have a cream blush, glow cream base, and a highlighter, glow universal pinkish beige. Ooh, pretty packaging. Super cute. Love a pink metallic. Okay, so this is gonna be our cream blush. That is very light. It looks like it'd be more pigmented in here, right? But it's actually pretty light. I feel like it's just like my skin is just kind of soaking it up. So I'm not getting a ton of, oh wow, it actually looks great on me. I was gonna say, it's not very impressive here, but looking at my monitor, I'm kind of okay with this. Well, we might as well even it out, right? All right, so let's check out the highlighter now. I'm kind of about this. I like that the creamy cheek has a little bit of shimmer to it, but it looks a little more dewy than shiny, or, you know? Let's check out this. Ooh. It says it's a pinkish beige, but this is giving me, again, still just kind of more of a champagne. Look at them working together. I like it. I like it. I'm liking it. This could be very low maintenance, you know? Cool. Let's talk about the Tarte Juicy. So this is the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip. And they sent me the color Orchid. So it's supposed to plump, condition, color. Oh, I like this. Click. I like this little clicky. Is anything actually coming up? Oh, it is. I don't waste a bunch of product. I have a lip stain on, so let's do a bit of a swatch test first here, so we can get an idea. Oh wow, that is creamy. How is this not going to be sticky? Because it's sticky going on. Oh. The color's not doing a lot for me. It's just, I feel like this is just my natural lip color, and that's no fun, but I'm gonna put it over this stain just to see if it does the plumpy, conditiony pre-lips. I don't know if it like smooths it out or just fills it in with coconut oil. I feel like I just slathered coconut oil across my face. All right, I'm not 100 on this one. Let's check out our last product from Boxy this month. And it is the long-lasting formula Intense Pigment Velvet Lip Liner. I feel like this lip liner actually goes with, this is the lip stain I have on. Here's the shimmers, the silliness. Ooh. I have a few lipsticks that will match this, and I don't have a lip liner for them, so this may actually be. Ooh, let's check it out. Oh, well, actually, I call this color more corpse lip, if that makes sense. It's a very natural shade. This is actually, you could use this as a lip crayon, I feel like more than a lip liner. It is very velvety, it is a very soft lip liner. I do like that it's smudgeable, like you could just lip crown this. This is a product I can use. This is great actually, because like I said, I have a few lip colors, cream lip colors that I really need a good liner for, and this just, this just solved a few problems for me. Well, not problems, minor inconveniences. So this was a pretty good box this month. Of the 5 full-size products, I'm definitely gonna use 1, 2, 3, and 4. That is our Boxycharm base box subscription for November 2022. Thank you guys so much for joining me for the unboxing of the Boxycharm November 2022 subscription base box. My referral link will be tagged in the description box down below. You can also check out all the previous months of the Boxycharm subscription and my Ipsycharm subscriptions, because guys, I got videos on videos of Boxy versus Ipsy. Make sure to go check those out. You can also check me out on social media, Facebook and Instagram, Give Your Hair a Kiss. You can find me right here, giveyourhairakiss.com. While you're there and happen to find yourself in the New York City area, you can book an appointment with me, Kiss, here in the kissing booth, and we will have a great time. But until next time, guys, give your hair a kiss.